guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing for this message board. It's really awesome. You can purchase these on Amazon and they come in a box packaged like this. It's a 10 by 10 letter board. And what's neat about this is you can make custom little quotes or messages. You could use it for photography or for weddings or just home decor. I think I'm gonna let my son play with it for a while because he will be starting kindergarten. So he is all about playing with letters and writing his name, and I think this would be fun for him to use. So it does come with this bag so that once you take off all the letters and the symbols and numbers, you could keep them in here. Also comes with a little scissors to remove those. It looks like this. It's a nice heavy wooden frame. It does already have a stand mounted to it, and it does have some brackets if you want to hang it on the wall. So you can use either. And then here are all the letters and numbers. It says there's 495 letters, numbers, and symbols. That's cute. Some of the symbols, so they have like emojis. There's a thumbs up, a heart, music symbol, apple, all sorts of things. And then the letters and numbers, I'm going to go ahead and remove those. So you get 3 sets, and each set has the letters several times. So it doesn't look like it would be possible for you to run out. You should have plenty for any kind of message or quote you want to put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and take off some of the little emojis. Just snip them with the scissors. And then the back of the emoji and the letters, there's like a little tab on it, and you just stick it in one of these. So super easy, and then it sticks really well. You could shake it, it's not coming off. So this would be ideal for a preschool or kindergarten child, or any kid really, to make little designs or write something on there. So you got all sorts of stuff. I love this idea. Think of a ton of things you can use this for. You do have to apply a little bit of pressure here. So you can cut them with regular scissors, but they probably give you the special kind with the shorter blades. That way when you go to cut with the bigger scissor, it doesn't break or cut some that you don't want cut off. So with this, works pretty good, but you do have to kind of lay it down and apply pressure, and then it comes off like that. So very easy to use. Oh, how cute. This one's like a little iPhone. So all sorts of little symbols on here. So hopefully you enjoyed my review and little quick demo. If you're interested in ordering one of these, I'll put a link below. They can be purchased on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.